just finished drizzling. Yeah, it's still drizzling pala. Spicy cookies are my favorite. Napaka-relax. I don't know. Sobrang nare-relax ako and everything. So, kumuha muna tayo ng kape. Ano muna? Instant coffee muna. So, I think I want to use this. Ayan, hi dolls. It's really early in the morning. Wait. So early in the morning, I just thought I have the time na mag-unbox. Let's do it. Wala pa ako. Nagilamos pa lang ako, toothbrush, and I'm about to have my coffee right here. So, let's get to it. Sobrang layo ba? Parang ang layo. Wait lang, ilapit ko yung camera. Hindi ako sanay. I think I prefer this angle, parang mas malapit and everything. I don't know, siguro sanay ako na mas malapit. So, magkape tayo. I just thought I would go ahead and unbox this one from Lazada. This is my Luxe Organix Whitening. I know, ang dami nang nag-review ng mga items na to and parang ang dami na, as in, ang dami-dami na, and it's been a year ago yung mga matatagal na review. I think merong few months back, but I wanted to try it for myself. So, let's get to it. Ano lang naman to, since I'm moving on na from Innisfree, the Perfect 9 kit, I wanted to try something else na because although pati si Myra, although they are effective naman for me, hindi pa rin na-address yung mga specifics na gusto ko sanang ma-addressed. Past tense. Ang nakakatuwa pala, kasi kay Watsons ko to binili. Watsons over Lazada. I ordered it ng Thursday. Dumating siya Friday. Nakaka-amaze lang kasi parang siya yung pinakamabilis na nakita ko. Within the same day na pack and na send out yung item ko. So, that's just so amazing. Very commendable na shipping from Watsons. And I got it na Friday afternoon, if I'm not mistaken. This has been here for a couple of days na. So, na-quarantine na namin. Kasi nga, diba, we don't open yung packages agad-agad. Kung kayang maghintay, pinaghihintay namin. So, let's go! Ooh. Cute naman. Ayos to. In fairness, alternative sa plastics. So, that's great. I'm loving it. Nakaka-excite naman. Although, again, marami na nga nag-review ng mga items na to, but I wanted to try it for myself. And also, kasi, I guess I would like to start with this one. It's the It's a Luxe Organix, malamang, Luxe Organix, ano nga, whole. It's the Whitening Repair Gentle Foam Cleanser. This one has the niacinamide and licorice root extract. Ayan. So, ito, I wanted to try kasi nga, I still have the dark spots na hindi na-address ni Myra or the Perfect 9 kit. Maybe because it's not for that skin problem. So, I am going for an actual item na yun yung i-address. So, here we are. I bought 2 of them because medyo mabilis ako sa cleanser than the other products. So, ito muna. Yun nga. Kasi nga, ang dami ko pa rin dark spots na parang, although natatanggal naman siya, I mean, matatanggal at matatanggal naman talaga yan. But, I just don't see it fast enough yung parang gano'n. So, let's go. We will try this in a few days. And then, lipat ko lang yung mic. Yan. And then, next is, okay, ito mas maliit than I was expecting. This is the, ano ba to? Whitening Repair Essence Toner. Ito ang kinuha ko kesa yung actual toner. Kasi parang I wanna lessen yung cotton, yung ano mo sa face mo. I wanna lessen that. So, parang mas prefer ko ito kasi ang kailangan mo lang gawin dito is spray lang, tas tap lang on your skin. You don't need to use cotton. Kasi parang kahit na lambot ang cotton, parang may mga cotton na na nakakagasgas pa rin. Oh, no! So, if you do that every day, parang ako lang naman, ayoko. Kaya yan, I went for the Essence Toner instead. This is, yun nga, small than I was expecting, but okay. Next naman sa magiging skincare ko in the next few months is gonna be the Whitening Repair with Moisturizer. Ayan. So, this one, ito naman yung magiging moisturizer ko in the next days. Ayan, ito siya. So, all these 3 items are from yung line nila ng niacinamide. So, I think this right here would address naman siguro the dark spots that I was trying to remove. Ayan. So, ito siya. Ito muna ang gagamitin ko and hopefully it would work. Ayan. And then, ito medyo naiba sa mga line na to kasi I went for sa serum, I went for the Age Reverse. Mainly because I think yung essence toner, yung cleanser, yung whip moisturizer, they all have niacinamide. Siguro naman ma-adjust na doon. And then the serum kasi, I think I still want to keep some anti-aging variant sa sa routine ko. So, I went for the serum. Siya na lang yung magiging anti-aging na part nung skincare. Ayan. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, dito ang may expect natin. Ang meron sa kanya is hyaluronic acid and vitamin A. Ang expectations dito is that it will address yung mga fine lines, mga ganyan. Although, in fairness, doon sa Perfect 9, I think it's the Perfect 9, syempre with the moisturizer din. Kasi feeling ko moisturizer yung medyo malaking part sa skincare. Parang natanggal naman yung ko dito. Parang hindi masyadong visible yung lahat. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako super sa skincare before, diba? But, yun, yung ko dito is parang nawala naman. So, ito siya. Ito ang itsura niya sa loob. Ayan. So, ito yung magiging line ko ng skincare for the next few months. Yeah, so let's see how it works. You will find a review of these items in, the next month or so. Kasi in fairness, yung Perfect 9 ko, ang tagal niya for some reason. More than a month ko siyang nagamit. And then, ito, medyo iba na tong part na to. Tong segment na to, but it's still Luxe Organix na brand. Ito kasi, excuse me, I just have a few more things that I would like to parang address aside from the skin. Tanggalin ko ito sa ito. It is castor oil cold pressed. So, I've seen reviews nito. Some parang hindi masyadong sa kanila, hindi masyadong nag-work. Yung iba nag-work. So, it would really vary. And I wanted to try it on my own. So, ayan. Kasi I have this. Ayan o. Kalimutan kong tawag sa kanya. It's a form of alopecia. Pressure alopecia. Form of alopecia na kapag lagi kang nakamahigpit na tali, ayan, ano yung hairline mo. Ayan. So, ito, meron din ako dito sa kabilang side. Kaya, lalagyan natin ito. I'll give my review then in the next few months. And then next one, last one is this one. Castor oil naman for the eyelash and brow. Ayan. So, this one naman, kasi meron pa akong ito, yung parang hindi pantay yung start ng kilay ko. Parang may mas mahaba yata ito. Hindi yung kakamali. Tapos ito, parang hindi. Ayun. So, ito. Tapos, siguro the lashes na din. I wanted to try how it will, basta I just wanted to try. Tapos, I've seen reviews na rin nito. Parang mas marami yung hindi masyadong nag-work. Tapos, matagal talaga bago makikita yung difference. So, itong dalawang to, baka matagalan yung review nito. Kasi nga, I'm gonna give it, 3 months. Merong isa na 3 months yung, siya, parang 3 months before siya nakapag-review. Kasi nga, hindi agad-agad. And you wouldn't really expect naman na agad-agad yung mga bagay-bagay, diba? So, yon. Ayan, ito yung mga magiging bago kong skincare for the next months. And I will let you know kung kamusta ang magiging effect nila sa akin, kung gagana ba or hindi. And hopefully, makatulong din sa inyo whether you will buy it or not. Ayan. So, yun lang for this video. Quick chill and kape-kape. Grabe dito, sobrang, itong anggulong to, makikita mo yung chinela din ko. Oh my God. Hindi nakakaganda. But anyway, ayan, yun lang for today. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, dolls!